In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a deleted Figma file. Whether you've accidentally deleted a project or just need to revisit something you thought was no longer needed, don't worry. Recovery is just a few clicks away. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of getting your lost work back without breaking a sweat. First, you want to open your preferred web browser and head straight over to Figma's website. Figma, as many of you may already know, is a fantastic collaborative interface design tool that enables designers and teams to work together seamlessly. Once you land on the Figma homepage, you'll need to locate the login button. Clicking that will prompt you to enter your credentials and re-enter the Creative Hub you may have just accidentally ravaged. After logging in, you'll be greeted by the Figma home interface. Now, this is your central hub for all recent files, projects, and team collaborations. What we want to focus on here though is not what's front and center. Instead, we're looking for an option that might save the day: the trash. Look over to the left hand side of the Figma home interface and find the sidebar. Here you'll see the trash option. Give it a click and voila. You should now see a list of files that were once marked for deletion. Here, remember that the trash functions as a temporary holding ground for your files. It's not uncommon to forget this handy resource exists, especially in the hustle and bustle of design work. So, whenever a mistake is made, you've probably got a second chance waiting for you here. Once in the trash, scroll through the list to locate the file you wish to resurrect. You might be surprised to see files you had completely forgotten about, so take this as an opportunity for a quick cleanup or rediscovery. Once you find the desired file, click on it. You'll notice a few options pop up, one of which is Restore. Clicking Restore will move your file back into your main file repository, bringing it back to life for further editing and sharing. Remember, the quicker you are in retrieving your deleted file, the better, as files might be permanently removed after a specific time frame, depending on Figma's settings or organizational policies. And there you have it, folks, a straightforward, effective method for reclaiming your deleted Figma files. It's always a great feeling to know that not all is lost and that solutions are just a click away when it comes to managing your digital workspace. Be sure to utilize the trash option proactively as a management tool and not just a last resort. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Happy designing!